University, Lucknow, participating in Smart India Hackathon 2025. I am Natik Pal, the team leader, and with me are my amazing teammates Sanid Asthana, Mayank Singh, Sakshi Singh, Aditya Sharma, and Ayush Singh. जल से ही सब कुछ शुरू हुआ है और जल पर ही सब कुछ समा जाएगा. As mentioned in ancient Bhavishyamalika, from the Samudra Manthan, the churning of the cosmic ocean to modern marine science, our oceans have always been a source of life, mystery, and discovery. Today, through artificial intelligence, we attempt to decode the same ocean, not mythologically but molecularly. Now, I would like to call Sanid Asthana to explain the project. So, save.
Hello everyone, this is Sanit Asthana from Team Argonauts, and today I'm excited to introduce Oceanomics AI-powered Ocean Genomics Discovery Dashboard. Our mission with Oceanomics is to decode the hidden biodiversity of the ocean using environmental DNA, enabling discoveries that could impact medicine, climate science, and biotechnology. What you are seeing today is here a Oceanomics dashboard, a live system that visualizes the state of deep sea biodiversity through genomic data. At the top, we have key performance indicators of the current system, like 2.4 million of the total DNA reads, novel taxa, richness index, and active pipelines. The green percentage changes represents growth trends over time. For example, a 0.12.5% rise in the reads means the system is continuously scaling as new data streams in. Below that, you can see global eDNA sampling sites, each representing a live or recent genomic analysis. Let me highlight a few. Arctic shelf completed just 2 hours ago, and then Marina Trench is just being completed. Now there is each data tells a story about a unique marine ecosystem from the freezing Arctic to the mysterious trenches of the Pacific. AI insights and alerts. New data available from NOAA, a Gulf Stream region. Detected taxa overlaps with known antibiotic producers, explored drug discovery, and all that insights and alerts generated by AI. Here you visualize AI-powered Ocean Health Index, where each ocean basin is scored based on biodiversity, stability, genomics, novelty, and detected stress markers. For example, Arctic Ocean 87 and Pacific Deep is 72. To make research faster and more interactive, the dashboard offers a upload new sample for instant eDNA ingestion. Here we can see we are selecting a FASTA file. Now the processing eDNA sequence, running quality control filters, assembling contigs, taxonomy classification, and then functional gene prediction, and all that is completed. Pipeline is run in the background, and here we get the response. Taxonomy classification, here some of are also predicted, like total taxa, novelty ratio, and all that you can see. Now abundance estimation, functional gene detected, not only the gene but also where it is application, also where it can be applicable, like ORF214 is applicable in biofuels and enzymatic materials. AI generated summary reports here also, and after all this we can export this PDF report. Now there is a discovery platform. In our platform there is also feature discovery, where you can discover many analytics of the eDNA. Here is all it is, a graphical representation, and file runs and all the history, and then there is the analytics page. Predictive analytics is what used here, like all predictive biodiversity index and novel sequence discovery rate, functional gene activity, the graphical structures, and all that you can see here. Global predictive hotspots, when we touch some, here we can get where it is used. and all that. Comparative and application insights, medical potential, antibiotic compounds. We have found a plus 34% predicted increase, and like that in industrial enzymes, thermostable enzymes, Arctic, and climate impact, tax expansion. Here it is a warning. AI model performance, these are some models we have used, and its performance is also shown here. Then there is a what if lab. Here we can predictive simulation lab. Using some parameters we can know where the graph shifts of enzyme yields, taxonomy richness, novel gene probability, like this. And that's it. Transforming ocean science into real world impact. This is you can see and easily understand what's going here. A discovery timeline, impact distribution, regional biodiversity and health index, and all that.
Today, we churn the oceans of DNA and data to discover new life. A project symbolizes the fusion of ancient Indian philosophy and modern artificial intelligence, where science, nature, and technology meet at the depth of the ocean. We are Team Algonauts 1 from T.S. Mishra University, Lucknow, and our mission is to make the invisible life of the ocean visible to humanity.
मैंने ह्यूमैनिटीज बोल दिया था रिकॉर्ड
Thank you.